What's up guys, we're back with some huge set of news to fire up your day. Forget the S22 Ultra cause the base Galaxy S22 and S22 Plus are looking hella fine. We also have the expected date for the Unpacked 2022 and some One UI 4.0 news plus something that's gonna blow your mind. Before we get into everything, a quick reminder for the Galaxy Buds 2 giveaway. All the rules are mentioned in the description if you haven't entered yet. So first up, it is true that Samsung is bringing a massive camera upgrade with not just the main camera sensor but all lenses for the base Galaxy S22 and the S22 Plus. According to the latest info from Galaxy Club, Samsung is developing a new 10 megapixel 3x optical zoom for the Galaxy S22 and the S22 Plus. For majority of people, this is a perfect range for the zoom. Not everyone needs a 100x zoom level, which by the way Samsung will bring on the Ultra model, but for most people, this new 3x zoom for S22 and S22 Plus will be plenty enough. And in case you don't know already, Samsung is bringing a new 50 megapixel RGB sensor for S22 and S22 Plus. So overall, I'm very happy that Samsung is not just focusing everything on the Ultra model, but taking the whole series to the next level. Now, according to South Korean media, the Galaxy S22 will enter mass production in November of 2021. Once again, Samsung is looking to announce the S22 lineup in January of next year. Now, in other Galaxy S22 news, we have the battery size confirmation thanks to the new certification from China. So the S22 Plus is rocking a 4500 mAh battery, whereas the Ultra model is rocking a 5000 cell. These are pretty much the same sizes as the S21 series, but this time we could see faster charging up to 65 watts plus more efficient chips. Also in the news, Samsung is working on a 17-inch bezel-less foldable laptop. Yes, laptops won't remain like they are forever because Samsung will change the game in the laptop segment as well, just like they're doing with smartphones. According to Ice Universe, the official name for this laptop could be Samsung Galaxy Book Fold. Apparently, it's gonna look very similar to the folding laptop that Samsung showed off in their SID trailer video. Samsung wanted to release this foldable laptop in 2022, but Microsoft wasn't able to meet the software requirement for this machine. Yes, it will run Windows 11 or like a special version of Windows optimized for this folding design, and apparently they weren't able to do it on time. So now Ross Young says that this Galaxy Book Fold is delayed till late 2022 or probably till 2023. Wow, I gotta say, some huge plans for the future when it comes to the foldable lineup. Samsung doesn't want to just stop with the flip and the fold. They want to go beyond and change the laptops game as well. Now last but not least, One UI 4.0 is officially coming this month. Yes, Samsung has confirmed this in their community forums that the update is right around the corner, and the first devices to get this update will be the S21 series. Now, of course, this will be a beta update and slowly they're gonna roll out the updates to other regions, but yeah, I'll be doing a full tour of this update, so make sure you subscribe to the channel. And yeah, that's all for today. A big camera upgrade for base Galaxy S22 and S22 Plus. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. With that being said, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.